Cat or dog?
Dog.
Friends or family?
Friends.
Boyfriend or girlfriend?
Boyfriend.
Vampire Diaries or Van Helsing?
Vampire Diaries.
Book or movie?
Book.
Family or party?
Family.
Facebook or MySpace?
Facebook.
Musical or thriller?
Thriller.
Justin Bieber or Christian Beatles as best friend?
Christian Beatles.
Singer or actor?
Actor.
Dutch or France?
French.
Kimmy Cupcake or Kimmy Cake Man?
Kimmy Cupcake.
Pear or banana?
Banana.
Chocolate cake or banana cupcake?
Banana cupcake.
Christian Beatles as best friend, boyfriend or brother?
Brother and best friend.
Tom or Jerry?
Jerry.
Willow or Catherine?
Both.
Favorite singer?
Justin Bieber, Beyonce, Alicia Keys, Usher, a lot.
Favorite actor?
Lucy Hill.
Favorite song?
Down to Earth.
Favorite Twilight character?
Rosalie.
Favorite Vampire Diaries character?
Damon.
Favorite Pretty Little Liars character?
Aria, Hannah, and Emily.
Be sick or in school?
In school.
Mobile or internet?
Mobile.
Sony Ericsson or Nokia?
Nokia.
Catherine as best friend or friend?
Best friend.
Willow as friend or best friend?
Best friend.
Snake or elephant?
Snake.
Monkey or Willow?
Monkey.
Catherine or spider?
Catherine.
Favorite color?
Pink, blue, purple.
Green or white?
White.
Jessica Joel or Jasmine Lee?
Jessica Villegas.
Horse or rabbit?
Both.
Rock or pop?
Pop.
Makeup or not?
Not.
Winter or summer?
Winter.
Spring or summer?
Summer.
Beyonce or Justin Bieber?
Justin Bieber.
Justin Bieber or Usher?
Usher.
Mars or Maddie B?
Both.
Night or morning?
Night.
Cake or cola?
Cake.
Holiday or school?
Holiday.
Skirt or jeans?
Skirt.
Emmett or Edward?
Emmett.
Emmett or Carlisle?
Emmett.
Rosalie or Emily?
Rosalie.